The Grizzly T32717 electric pipe and tube notcher with stand is a must-have when it comes to all your welding and fabrication projects. This pipe and tube notcher is specially designed to quickly and effortlessly notch or cope the ends of your workpieces for welding, with a notching angle of 90 degrees. With 8 different size notching holes, the T32717 can notch pipes or tubes with diameters from 1/4 inch to 2 1/4 inch, and with walls up to 1/8 inch thick. It works by placing your material into an appropriate notch hole where the 4140 steel notching die will cut a 90-degree angle into your material with ease. Flip the material over to notch the other side, and you're all done. Powering it all is a dependable 1.5 horsepower 220-volt single-phase 8-amp motor that's built for strength. And it all sits upon a heavy-duty steel frame. This Grizzly tube notcher also features a removable chip drawer for easy scrap disposal and shop cleanup. The Grizzly T32717 electric pipe and tube notcher with stand keeps your welding productions on schedule, efficient, and hassle-free, all for a price that's notches below the competition. Visit Girzzly.com to learn more and to get yours today.